Welcome to the Redmond Audio Report. I'm your host, Chris Paoli, and this is your tech news roundup for the week of April 23. Let's dive into what's happening in the Microsoft ecosystem. Microsoft has announced a new AI-powered feature called Computer Use for its Copilot Studio platform that allows agents to directly interact with websites and desktop applications using simulated mouse clicks, menu selections, and text inputs. According to Charles Lamanna, Corporate Vice President at Microsoft, this feature marks a major leap forward in intelligent automation by enabling Copilot agents to treat graphical interfaces just like human users would. The technology adapts to changes in apps and websites automatically, adjusting in real time using built-in reasoning to fix issues on its own. Key use cases include automated data entry across systems lacking direct integrations, market research automation, and streamlined invoice processing for finance operations. Microsoft plans to showcase this new capability in greater detail at next month's Build conference. And speaking of Copilot, the company has finally begun rolling out a preview of its controversial recall feature in Windows 11. This feature uses AI to search and retrieve your past activity by taking opt-in snapshots of your screen. After being delayed twice due to security concerns, Microsoft stresses that recall is optional, doesn't share data with third parties, and gives users full control over their information. In cybersecurity news, Microsoft has released a major progress report on its Secure Future initiative, which it calls the largest engineering project in company history. The initiative spans 28 key objectives, including stronger identity protections, expanded threat detection, and enhanced security features across Microsoft's product lineup. The effort represents the equivalent of 34,000 engineers working full-time over 11 months. Key improvements include migrating token signing keys to hardware security modules, introducing over 200 new threat detections, and implementing a company-wide security culture shift, requiring every employee to define security priorities and performance reviews. Microsoft has also unveiled a new Secure by Design UX toolkit, now in use by 22,000 employees, to help teams create more secure user interfaces. Additional enhancements include enforced multi-factor authentication for administrators and AI-informed fraud detection systems that reportedly prevented $4 billion in attempted fraud. For database users, Microsoft introduced a public preview of its new Model Context Protocol server for Azure Database for PostgreSQL. This technology aims to simplify how AI models interact with enterprise data by eliminating the need for custom connectors. It enables AI applications to interact directly with APIs, services, and external data sources using a common interface. The MCP server supports natural language querying through tools like Claude Desktop and Visual Studio Code, essentially providing a common language that allows AI assistants to establish two-way connections with data sources and services. On the partnership front, Microsoft and UiPath have announced a new integration between Microsoft Copilot Studio and UiPath Studio. This collaboration allows developers to embed UiPath agents and automations directly into Microsoft Copilot Studio, while also enabling Microsoft Copilot agents to be used within UiPath workflows. The integration enhances UiPath's Power Platform connector and enables end-to-end process orchestration across Microsoft 365 apps and external enterprise systems. Practical applications include email triage by Copilot agents in Outlook, which can then hand off to UiPath for document processing and system updates. Finally, Microsoft partner Nerdio has rolled out version 7.0 of its Nerdio Manager for Enterprise with new automation and AI-driven tools for Windows 365 and Azure Virtual Desktop environments. The update emphasizes deeper Intune integration and centralized workflows for IT teams managing hybrid workforces. Key features include AI-powered license recommendations, automated migration tools, enhanced usage dashboards, and a centralized platform for monitoring device compliance and application usage across environments. According to Nerdio, these updates represent a meaningful shift in how Windows 365 environments are managed at scale. That's all for this edition of the Redmond Audio Report. I'm Chris Paoli, Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time with more Microsoft ecosystem news and updates.